All right, so I recently picked up this pressure washer and we're going to demonstrate and show you what it looks like in action. This is the Built Hard THA 0351 pressure washer. This one is the 170cc engine and this one is the 3100 PSI. They had another one on Biltmore that was more powerful. The reason I went with this one is because the actual pressure washer itself was lighter weight and I wanted to have an easier time picking it up in and out of the truck. It comes with 4 nozzles. I got the white nozzle on the spray gun, and then this is your soap nozzle, so if you want to count that, 5 nozzles. This is a gas-powered pressure washer. Assembly was very easy, and the main thing I want to do in this video is demonstrate it. And what we're also going to show off is this Eviage 2-handle surface cleaner. You can see we've already started cleaning the driveway here. And the thing about these larger surface cleaners is you need a decently powered pressure washer to be able to operate. Like I've used a surface cleaner like that with a electric pressure washer and it wasn't powerful enough to get the results. So that's why I wanted one that had 3100 PSI. I've used it with like 2500 PSI. But anyway, I wanted one that had significant power to be able to pair up with the surface cleaner. So what we're going to do is crank it up and show it to you in action. It cranks very easily. It ships without oil, so I put oil in it, put gas in it, and you simply have your on-off switch. Of course, you want to have the water running before you turn it on. I've already got the water running, turn it on. I've already primed it. I just turned it off actually for the video. So normally you just push the primer button 3 times, and you're going to pull it to start, and then we'll get a quick use. So you can see we're getting pretty good results on this. Had to slow down on some of the thicker areas, and this is just with water. We don't have any kind of chemical in there to help clean with it. So anyway, so far so good on this pressure washer and surface cleaner. Hope this video has been helpful for you.